Looks like a part of an old sewer pipe. I saw this the other day. Let's see if we clean that out a little. Oh, whoa. Throw that right in. Got a can, guys. Looks like some blue hose here. That was plowed down. Come back for that can. A few more cans, guys. I'm looking for that TV. I think. Keep seeing pieces of vacuum, but no cords or motor. A lot of pants laying here. And you know what, guys? I thought this was a really old TV. But hey, you know, might scrap it. We might scrap that. Alright, let's see if we can find any other ones. You know, they came, they plowed everything over here, guys. They just plowed everything. Plowed it all down and burnt a lot of stuff out of here. I guess they don't want me coming to scrap back here or something. So a lot of stuff is just buried, you know. It's just a piece of tin. A lot of stuff is just buried. So you don't know. We just don't know what might have been dug up. You know, what they might have dug up, or you know. Got some scrap metal. So you could kind of see that everything was just pushed over, plowed in, and burned up. See right here where they made the fire and burned everything here. I don't know why, but they think that metal's gonna burn, you know, and you know, and it doesn't burn like that. See, they plowed all this right up here. They just made it bigger for so people can dump more stuff. Basically, I guess they want to see if anybody's back here dumping. If they're back here dumping any garbage or whatever. I figured we could find another TV back here or something we could do. Then head out. I think there was a TV over here. Yeah, right here it goes. And look at that. Chevy. Oh, there's an old in here. Not much, guys. Got an old can right here. Alright, so we got this. I think there was another one somewhere. Give you guys a little look, then we gotta book you out of here. This place is, it's like bad news right now. See people burning everything. They're just burning it. Like, why? You know, why burn? That's what I don't understand. Why burn the freaking woods down? You know, for what purpose, guys? I thought there was a TV. Probably got smashed, guys. What's this? Ball? Oh, the skull survived, guys. Let's get out of here. I don't even like coming back here anymore. A lot of cars coming back here, guys, and it's just burning everything down. I'm just taking stuff out of here for the scrap, you know. Let's get this stuff out of here. Come back for that other. Here comes a car. Come back for that other TV, guys. I got a lot of scrap with me right now, and I don't even think they notice me carrying all this or not. Scrap in the woods, guys. We just get this stuff in and get out of here. All right. Anyway, guys, we'll take a look at everything we found once I get to where I need to go. I'm gonna hit a couple dumpsters and be out of here. Any scrap? No, nothing. How about here, guys? Nothing. See what's in here. Looks kind of full. Bowling balls, guys. Freaking bowling ball bag. There's something back in here. I'm not sure. Maybe I could use that. I gotta see. Let's see what's over here. Empty. Not much in there either, guys.